Brian with Browning Technologies. Today we're going to be polishing this intake manifold, but also a key note that I want you guys to recognize is the soft metal as brass that we're going to be working on, this plastic piece right here, and also iron, which is prone to flash rusting. But let's see how this process turns out. Hey guys, we are back. We just got done blasting this intake manifold right here. But also, look at this finish. Wow. With the process, with the glass bead that we use for this type of finish right here, kind of looks like it came off the assembly line, to be honest. I want to point out a couple of things. Let's start with the brass, it being one of the softest metals on the element chart. And this process was truly safe on such a metal in particular. Also, the plastic portion was not even damaged at all during this process. Threaded areas remain intact and safe. One more thing I wanted to add. We hit two birds with one stone, literally. With the rust portion, we got rid of the rust as well as treated it for any future rusting that can happen with our corrosion inhibitor. And it definitely just, left me speechless. You know, being a car guy myself, having car parts to work on every now and then, this is truly a revolutionary process, and I know it's going to complement yours as well. If you have any questions involving this process, drop them down in the comments below or give us a call. We have a full team dedicated to answer your needs at 828-202-5563. Bye-bye.